Good morning, students. Now, this is the grammar period, the second period which we have started. I hope so you have enjoyed the previous video because it was nicely shown, the story was shown very nicely. You might have enjoyed, and as I told you in my video also, that you have to write the question answers or you have to solve the exercise. Just do solve the exercise, and wherever you feel anything, you need my help, you can even call me, or else you can just text me whatever you want on WhatsApp. Fine. Now we will start with the next topic is the grammar. In the grammar topic today we are taking subject and predicate. It is a very common topic which we have learned since, I think so, if I'm not wrong, we have started with this from 5th standard. Now 5th standard, why I am taking these topics, because previously also I told you I started with parts of speech, then we come to the sentences. The sentences is the first part where is subject and predicate is used. Why is the subject and predicate important? Because if you don't use subject and predicate properly, if you don't know how to recognize the subject and the predicate, the next topic which will be coming around, which is the next topic, is transformation of sentences from simple to compound, and simple complex, and later on to assertive to interrogative to different ways. I will just explain you in this video. What will happen, you will not get the right वे कि किस हिस्से को बदलना है, एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस. तो एक्टिव वॉइस में जैसे सब्जेक्ट का पहला आता है तो फिर प्रेडिकेट बाद में आता है, देन अगेन सेम वे द प्रेडिकेट को पहले लाया जाता है, एंड एक्टिव पैसिव. इस तरह से जब हम किए जाते हैं तो इसके लिए हमारे को सबसे पहले हमें ज़रूरत क्या पड़ती है कि हमें सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है, प्रेडिकेट कौन सा है, ये जानना ज़रूरी है. नाउ व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट्स? द सेंटेंसेस हैज़ टू पार्ट्स, one subject and one the predicate. And it is also, when it is still called object, that also I will tell you. Okay, subject and the predicate. Subject is the part which talks about a person or a thing. Subject is the main part of the sentence जो which emphasizes, which says, stresses on the thing, on the word. The cat runs after the rat. The cat who is the action doer is a cat. It's a prime word, it's a prime word which is saying, the prime part of the sentence is called the subject. You always understand, जो भी चीज़ का करने वाला उद्योक्ता जो है, जो करने वाला है, जो वो परफॉर्मर है, उसे the subject कहा जाता है. Okay, and the other part comes with the predicate. Now the predicate is the part that which is talking about the subject. The subject is talking about something, that something becomes the predicate. Okay, now the dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. The dewdrops glitter. Now I'm sorry, I cannot write these sentences and show you underlined. It would have been very nicely, but now I cannot assimilate all those things. गूगल ऐप में लोगे तो फिर भी बहुत जनों का मुझे पहली, मैम आप गूगल में लेने वाले हो तो ये मिस हो जाएगा, ये रह जाएगा. ओके, तो मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ, आप ध्यान से देखिए कि इस सेंटेंस द ड्यू ड्रॉप ग्लिटर्स इन सनशाइन, मतलब द ड्यू ड्रॉप, ये जो वर्ड है ये क्या होता है, इट विल बी व्हाट, द ड्यू ड्रॉप विच इज़ अ पार्ट विच इज़ सेइंग सब्जेक्ट, इट इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट पार्ट. वो उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? द ड्यू ड्रॉप. द ड्यू ड्रॉप ग्लिटर्स इन द सनशाइन. ग्लिटर्स इन द सनशाइन में ग्लिटर्स जो है ये क्या है, वर्ब. व्हाट इज इट डूइंग? ग्लिटरिंग. इट्स एन एक्शन. It's an action kind of thing. It's an abstract action. That action is called as verb. It is a verb there. और verb के साथ जो भी rest of the sentence बचा है उसको predicate करते हैं, और वो verb के साथ जब join करते हैं हम उसको predicate. And subject कौन सा है? The dewdrop. Object कौन सा है? The sunshine. किसके ऊपर इफेक्ट हो रहा है? ड्यू ड्रॉप का ऑब्जेक्ट पर. कौन सा है? सनशाइन पर. तो साथ में कौन सा वर्ड आ रहा है? ग्लिटर्स. इट्स अ वर्ब. जब साथ में वर्ब को ज्वाइन करते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रेडिकेट. व्हाट वी कॉल इज एंड प्रेडिकेट. Do understand very nicely. Now we will solve some exercise. Identify the subjects in the following sentences. Success is a journey, not a destination. Success is a journey, not a destination. Now here the main part is what? Success. And is not a journey, is a journey, not a destination. Is here auxiliary verb use. Which auxiliary verb is used? Is. is a journey, not a destination. Understood? This is becomes the predicate. This becomes a predicate. Did you understand the meaning of subject and the predicate? Fine. Now I will send some practice exercises. You will solve those practice exercises, and I want this practice exercises done in the notebook, grammar notebook, very nicely done, so that whenever we are calling you, I must see all these exercises done properly. Because if you have any doubts, then only I can, then and there I can clear those doubts. Okay. Now if you have any other doubts, you just click that sentence. With the doubts, you please text me or WhatsApp and message me so I can answer you. Fine. Now here some of the sentences again we will do. Their marvelous victory surprised everyone. Their marvelous victory surprised everyone. तो यहाँ पर क्या word हुआ? Their marvelous victory becomes the subject and surprised everyone. उसका effect किस पर हुआ? Surprised everyone पर क्या आया फिर वो? Predicate. The winter season is the most amazing time of the year. Now very obvious, the winter season time. The winter season is the, फिर से क्या हुआ? The winter season क्या हुआ? Is the subject and is most the amazing time in the on the year. वो क्या हो गया? उसके ऊपर इफेक्ट पड़ा किस पर? अमेजिंग टाइम. ओके, इट इज़ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग टाइम. तो इफेक्ट दिखाई दे रहा है, उसका असर दिखाई दे रहा है, तो इसीलिए उसको क्या कहते हैं? प्रेडिकेट. नाउ Mrs. Sahni invited everyone to dinner. Mrs. Sahni was what? Sahni was a name, the named person, the subject. His patience is remarkable. His patience is remarkable. We are talking about what? His patience is remarkable. Is remarkable becomes the predicate and his patience becomes the subject. Did you understand? Again, I will stop the video. A small next video will be there of the next topic. Fine? Thank you.